How to log out your account on WhatsApp. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on WhatsApp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now scroll down. Now click on the last option where you can see the option for logout. Click on it. Once you click on it, your account will be instantly logged out from the app. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna log out our account on WhatsApp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.